This is the Kindle Paperwhite. It has a solid screen with good brightness, solid battery life, and pretty solid build quality. As an avid reader, I've bought and tested every Kindle in order to compare them and see which Kindle is perfect for who, and after testing out the Kindle Paperwhite, I can say this is a great product, but there are definitely some things you should know, and things I wish I knew before buying. Setting up the Kindle is very simple. You'll be prompted to choose your country location, connect to Wi-Fi, then sign into your Amazon account. From there, the Kindle will perform any updates, and you should be ready to use the Kindle within a couple minutes of first turning it on. Using the Kindle is also very simple. It's a touch screen, so you can just swipe up, down, left, or right to scroll through menus and the home page. The home page is very simple and easy to navigate, and you can click directly on the book you want to read to open it. When you have a book open, you can tap the right side of the screen to go to the next page and the left side of the screen to go to the previous page. Tap the top left of the screen to open the menu where you can go back to the library, adjust settings, and more. Swiping down from the top right corner will open a quick menu where you can turn on airplane mode, adjust brightness, warmth, Bluetooth settings, and more. Swiping up from the bottom will open a chapter view so you quickly change positions in the book. Pinching in with two fingers will zoom in to enlarge text, and pinching out will zoom out to make text smaller. Overall, it's a very simple and easy to use product that is very convenient and user-friendly. The Paperwhite also comes with a sleek, slim, and compact form factor that measures about 7 by 5 by 0.3 inches and weighs about 7.2 ounces, so it's lightweight enough to comfortably hold with one hand for longer periods. And you can get it in a few different colors to match your style. Despite its portable design, it's surprisingly well made and features a sturdy and smooth plastic chassis to withstand frequent use over time, and a robust IPX8 rating to protect the internal components from water and dust. Even more, it has a bottom-mounted power button to help prevent accidental presses when gripping it from the sides, and a USB-C port for charging. I thought the screen was a standout feature, and the Paperwhite comes with a large flush front e-ink 6.8-inch display, which provides much more screen real estate for words or graphics per page than the basic Kindle's 6-inch panel, and a matte finish to combat glare. I think the screen size on this is just right, about the size of your average book, fits in my hand very naturally. In addition to having a larger screen, it also offers a 300 pixel per inch resolution that ensures you get consistently sharp text. Underneath the screen, it comes with 17 LED lights to illuminate the screen more evenly and provide enough brightness to remain visible and legible in various lighting conditions or settings, and a dark mode that inverts the text color for late night reading sessions. Even more, it has color-changing front lights to control the display warmth, so you can adjust the color temperature to read more comfortably in dimmer settings. The panel is also reasonably responsive to touch inputs when scrolling through your library and can turn pages up to 20% faster than previous models. It's also important to know that it offers impressive battery life for the price. It can reliably deliver up to 10 weeks of reading time per charge, depending on your usage habits and brightness to keep you entertained, which is a longer runtime than some more expensive Kindle models, like approximately 6 weeks on the Kindle Oasis. Even more, it takes around 5 hours to fully charge when connected to a computer, and around 2.5 hours with a 9-watt USB power adapter, which is pretty solid. Like the rest of the Kindle models, it utilizes the intuitive Kindle OS interface, which provides access to the Kindle Store's extensive selection of ebooks and other reading materials, useful content recommendations, and more, though it tends to limit access to non-Amazon ecosystems. It also offers in-depth support for Amazon's other services, which means you can easily download or listen to audiobooks via Audible service, or integrate your Goodreads account to connect with other readers. Or you can access Kindle-compatible books from public libraries with the Overdrive service. It comes with 8 gigabytes of storage that provides enough space for thousands of ebooks and multiple audiobooks. Or you can opt for a larger 16GB model if you want more space for your library. Though it's important to note that the Paperwhite Signature Edition offers 32GB of space. I also like that it features integrated Bluetooth connectivity, so you can listen to audiobooks through wireless headphones or speakers, and it features dependable Wi-Fi technology to ensure you get a stable and speedy connection when downloading new content. With its durable, strong build quality, a comfortable and easy-to-use design, impressive battery life, surprising peak brightness, and snappy all-around performance, it's not difficult to see why the Kindle Paperwhite has been one of the most popular and highly rated Kindle e-readers. I believe if you're an average person who just wants a convenient, relatively affordable Kindle for everyday use, the Paperwhite is a perfect e-reader, and it's an excellent option even after comparing it to all other Kindle models.